strange, so full of life and color. We carried our life with tenderness and desire. Its frost was our sunshine and water. But lately I found myself fading away, for the lights of the sun to bring her home again. 'Cause she turned into a rose from another garden. Lovers slowly grows dry. 'Cause she turned into a rose from another garden, letting all the die on by. Should I lay them late of fear and shame? Should I be the one to let go? Did her love like a rose sit the drapes with the season?